With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is the conductivity test is positive for options are O/W, W/O, both 1 and 2, none of these. So we have to tell which of the following has a conductivity test that is positive. So first of all, we'll talk about emulsions here. So emulsions are basically their colloidal sols in which both the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquids, right? So they are partially miscible. They are not, like we can say they are immiscible in each other, right? So if we talk about emulsions, so emulsions are basically categorized in two types. So first is oil in water, which is also abbreviated as O/W, and the second is water in oil, which is W/O. So oil in water, so the dispersed phase is oil and dispersion medium is water. An example for this oil in water emulsion is milk. And in water in soil emulsion, so the dispersed phase is water and dispersion medium is oil, right? An example for water in oil this emulsion is butter. Now we have to tell that from like which of these will have a conductivity test positive. So the basic principle of the conductivity test to be positive is water is a good conductor, as we know, is a good conductor of electricity, right? So in case of oil water emulsions, this will give a positive test as water is the continuous phase, or also in this case water is the dispersion medium, we can say also this, right? So if the electrolyte like NaCl, any electrolyte is added to oil water emulsion, if electrolyte is added, its conductivity increases greatly. Then the water in oil emulsion, because there the dispersion medium is oil, right? So we know that water is a conductor of electricity, so this will give a positive conductivity test. Also, if we see the graphs for the conductivity test for first, that is oil and water. So if we see that conductivity versus amount of electrolyte, so if we see that if the conductivity increase with the amount of electrolyte to a positive side, right? And if we see for the graph of the, water in oil emulsion again, so the conductivity will not increase as much as in the oil in water. It will increase but not up to that extent. So the correct option here for this question is that the conductivity test is positive for oil in water emulsion. So the correct answer is first option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.